Okay, all right, guys. Good evening, everybody. So, uh, our this class will be recorded, and as a matter of fact, it's actually being recorded right now. So I will post it in the channel. I'll post it on my YouTube channel, my Forex YouTube channel. So in case you have a reason to like probably ask questions later, or you want to refer to the former class or stuff, you can access it. And also for those that are not online right now to join the live session, then they can watch it, or probably you want to share it with your friends. So without further ado, I welcome you guys to this free mentorship, and I'm glad you guys are taking the decision and you're taking the risk, because it actually takes a big risk to think of like probably improving your financial life or something like that, or taking any risk per se in your life. So uh I'll actually say a big thank you and a welcome whatever to you guys. So before we start, okay, I should please increase my voice. I don't know. Please, can you guys hear me clearly? I don't know if you should be like Jamio or Inla. Probably you are the one to increase your volume from there.
Please just increase your voice.
You know they hear anything.
Now you are good to go. You are good to go. Yeah, yeah. You don't need now. Right?
Okay, okay. Thank you very much. Okay, guys. Can you guys hear me clearly now?
Yes, yes, we
All right, all right, all right. So without further ado, let's just start the class. Okay. So now the basic thing we are doing right here is all about forex. Yeah. And if anybody should just come up to you and ask you, okay, bro, what's the meaning of forex? What do you know about forex? In a layman definition, or in a simple way of explaining what is forex, just give the person an answer of forex is a financial market. We buy, we sell currency pairs. Please, I hope you guys are putting down something. Don't just come online to like be in the live session to just listen and forget about it. Put down something. You guys should have a writing pen or writing pad or whatever. You understand? So as I was saying, forex is okay. Forex is a financial market where we purchase, that is, we buy and sell currency pairs. Do you understand? Very, very simple. Now, let me put it in a more simple way, because I will try to make this mentorship as simple as anything. Just forget about it that you won't learn something or you won't know about forex by the end of this mentorship. It's not possible. You understand? And at the end of each sessions, we'll be taking questions and I will be answering you understand? So now let me give you guys an example. Fine, you wake up in the morning in your house, you decided that okay, I want to go to the market today. I want to buy pepper, I want to buy milk, I want to buy Milo, I want to buy blah blah blah, I want to buy different things. You understand? Now, your decision of waking up in the morning and telling yourself, okay, I'm going to market today. That is when you wake up in the morning, you take your phone, you open your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, because that's the platform where we trade the forex markets. Although there are several platforms, but those are the major platforms we use in trading the forex market. Do you understand? So you wake up in the morning, that decision of taking out your phone, you want to trade the markets. You understand? So that is you opening your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, as the case may be. The second thing is, okay, let's take it back to the real life analogy now. You are going to the market to buy pepper, you are going to the market to buy Milo, you are going to the market to buy whatever thing. Now let's take it back to forex market. That is your what is it called? Your decision of which currency pair am I going to trade today. You understand? Like, I hope you guys are getting what I'm trying to say.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, 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 yes.
All right, all right. So
Yes, yes,
um
yes, yes.
so that is your decision of which currency pair you want to trade. You understand? So for instance, let me give you an example. In the forex market, there are several pairs you can trade. Several pairs. Just like going to the market, there are several. You can't buy everything in the market. It's not possible. You understand? Although you can buy everything we have on the forex market at once, depends on your capital and your equity, but there's no point trading all the pair at once except you want to blow your account. All right, so now let me give you guys some examples of the currency pairs we have. You understand? So now okay, um coming. All right, so now we have usd usd card. Pardon my writing, please. And I hope there's even writing something here. Okay. So we have a USD card. I hope you guys can see what I'm putting down. Hello. All right, all right. Thank you for the feedback. So now we have USD card. Uh we have GBP JPY, we have GBP USD, we have GBP AUD, several pairs like that, you understand? Several pairs that you can just decide to um go out there and trade. We have USD APY, we have GBP USD, we have GBP AUD, and the likes. You understand? So those are the currency pairs you can decide to trade every day. You understand? You can just go to the market. Okay, let me see what's happening in this market. Let me see what's happening in this market, and the likes. You understand? So now that is just the basic form of the overall view of the forex market. You understand? It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. Just put your mind and you get it. Now, I told you earlier that it's about buying and selling. Now, I should be expecting a question that's okay, when are we to buy, or how are we going to know that okay, we should buy this? How are we going to know that we should sell this or something like that? Now, this is the simple explanation. If you go to the market right now, okay, let's say as you are now, you're a retail trader. You go to the market, you buy. Please mute your mic, please. You buy let's say tom tom, or let me say sweet. Sweet is more general. You go to the market, you purchase sweet, 5 packs. Okay, you can't see the. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so as I was saying, you went to the market, you purchased 5 packs of sweets. You purchased each for let's say 1,000 naira. So you purchased five. That would be 5,000 naira in total, right? Yeah. So now, if you go back to your shop and you want to purchase same you want to sell it out, you must make profit now for sure. So let's say you now sell let's say you sell each for 1,200 naira. Hmm? If you sell five, how much will that be? How much will be your profit since you are selling each for 1,500 naira? So for 1,200 naira rather. Understand? So you make a profit of 1,000 naira extra. You understand? Excluding your initial capital you used in purchasing the 5 packs of sweets for what is it called? For 5,000 naira. You understand? So you make an extra box of 1,000 naira. Now, let me take it back to the forex market now. I told you guys that you'll be buying when you want to, when you know that the market will go up. Please let me mute this. All right. I told you you'll be buying when you know the market will rise, and you sell when you know the market is going down. You understand? Now, it is very, very simple. What did they do all this NEPA now? They just dey distract person brain. Okay, it's very, very simple. As I was saying, let's say we want to buy GBP AUD, and we know it is going to go up. That's why we are buying. Let's say the price is 1.9591. You understand? Now, the rate at which we buy, in Nigeria now, I'm taking Nigeria as an example. For those of us from other countries, you can take it in terms of your own currency, because we use naira in Nigeria. Let's say, for instance, we want to buy it. We want to buy GBP AUD at 1.9195. Let's take that as an example. Oh, and we know it is going to go up by 20 pips, or let me say 5 pips. We are purchasing at 9195. We know it's going to go up by 5 pips. So we want to catch 5 pips off the market and make profit. Now, in Nigeria, the profit you gain is calculated in naira. As explained earlier, I said if you make profits of off of the 5 packets of sweet you bought, and you make 1000 naira, you know it to be 1000 naira. Now, our currency in the markets, in the forex markets, we do it in pips. You understand? Let me put that down. Please make sure you're writing something, please. So we do it in pips. You understand? So we want to catch 5 pips out of the forex market. Now, this is where the magics come. You understand? Both of us, let's say we are two people now, myself and okay, Mr. A and Mr. B. They both went to a market in Nigeria. They purchased the same 5 packs of sweets, and they sold it each at 1500. Their profit will be 1000 naira, right? Sure. Yeah. So now, in the forex market, it is totally different. Totally different. And I will explain it to you right now. Just calm down. I can go to the markets and catch 5 pips, with my own 0.01 lot size. And a big man can go to the same market, the same trade I took, and he should enter with 1 lot size, and he will make much more money than me. You understand? That is where the difference, or let me say, your capability and the way you gallant, may I put it that way for Nigerians, that is where it comes out. You understand? So we can actually take the same signal, or take the same trade, the same position, and you still make much, much more money than me. Understand? And I will explain that right now. So that will take me to where I will explain pips. Now, I'm explaining pips just because of this example I give. Normally, I should explain to you the type of market we have and stuff, but I will still go into it. We still have enough time. You understand? So let me just take it step by step. So now, let me use that opportunity to explain what pips mean. Now, for instance, please, I hope you guys are seeing my screen very well. Hello, please, can you guys hear me?
Yes, 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 yes,
All right, all
yes,
right.
yes, yes, yes. We are there.
Okay, thank you very much. So now, as I was saying, there are different type of pips. Like, sorry, I mean there are different type of lot size we can use. Not pips right now. Can be 1000, 1, 2, 0.5, 5 pips, whatever. You understand? But the lot size we are using, the kind of lot size we can use will be determined by our capital. You understand? For instance, now I'm a forex trader. I deposited $50 into my account. Eh? Another forex trader deposited $500 into his account. Then another person, the third person, deposited $5,000 into his account. We can't use the same lot size, except I want to, like, I won't do pass myself. May I put them that way? Do you understand? Like, I want to waste my account. Let me just put it in that form. Now, let me explain what I mean. For 0.01 lot size. Eh? If markets move 10 pips on 0.01 lot size, that will be $10. Sorry, $1 rather. That will be $1 on 0.01 lot size. If market moves 10 pips, please make sure you are putting down something. Now, on that same 0.0, on that same 0.1 lot size, let's say 0.1 lot size. So you can use lot size or lot, it's still the same thing. It's just the short form of lot size. You can say 0.1 lot or 0.01 lot. It's still the same thing as 0.01 lot size or whatever. Understand? If market moves 10 pips, then the person will make $10 on that same 10 pips. And I told you guys, pips is our currency. The whole thing we are finding in this market is just pips. That's why you see forex traders telling you, we're able to catch 50 pips from that market, we're able to catch this pips on that market, and blah blah like that. You understand? Now, this same trade, if someone use one lot size and the person catches 10 pips, can you tell me the answer of can you tell me the number of dollars the person will actually get using 10 pips and one lot size? Please, can I get answer from you guys since I've given you guys the analogy already? Anybody?
100,
Yeah, very, very good.
100,
$100.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you very much. So the person
$100.
will actually get $100 using that same 10 pips. You understand? Now, with this explanation I've given you guys already. So with this explanation I've given you guys already, I told you, as I am right now, I'm going to the forex market. I funded my account with $50. Eh? And I want to enter a trade. I want to catch 10 pips. And it is not immediately I enter the market will go my direction. It's not possible. There will always be floating. You understand? Now, because I see my friend dad's, let's say $5,000 account, and he's using one lot size, this one whole lot size, that if market should go against him by 10 pips, he will be losing $100. And I want to do strong heads. Let me put it that way. Like, I want to do pass myself. I now used same one lot size. In fact, if the market should move just 5 pips backward, my account is gone. You understand? And 5 pips is very, very simple for markets to just like, let me just move a bit before going this guy's direction. You understand? So if market should move 5 pips direction away from my entry point against me, I will lose the $50. You understand? Because 5 pips using one lot size is $50. I hope you guys get it. Now, if I now do like, okay, I want to trade normally, I want to trade like a good trader, I want to use the correct lot size using proper risk management, I should just go with my 0.01. Or let's say I want to take risk, because the forex market is actually about risk. That is the plain truth. If you risk more, you can gain more and you can actually lose more. In fact, you can lose it all. So if you are thinking you are not ready to lose, I'm very, very sorry. You can still quit the training right now. It is not too late. But if you feel okay, you are ready for this, you are ready to risk it, then I can assure you, you surely make it. Definitely. You understand? So now, let's say the person wants to risk the accounts, like wants to take risk. The person can actually use 0.1 lots, although that's too much for $50 account. Don't worry, I will keep breaking it down. This is just the first class, but I just want to give you guys the basics first, so you guys can always recall what I've actually explained. You understand? So now this is the fundamental explanation of pips. Now I should be expecting a question like, okay, for before I continue, let me take questions from you guys before I explain how to now calculate the pips itself. So please, if you have question, please let me know. You don't need to raise up your hand, Mr. Jamiu. You can unmute yourself and ask your question. Any questions so far?
Yeah, good evening, guys.
All right.
Please, I have a question
Okay.
about how I explain the 0.101 lot size,
All right.
which is equal to $1 in 10 pips when markets move forward.
All right.
And at the same time, second time, you explain how 0.1 lot size is equal to $10 when markets move forwards with 10 pips. Please, I
Using
didn't
how
get that
many lot
lot
size,
size.
please? What's this?
The second zero
This
point
I'm busy.
one lot size equals $10 when markets move forward
Using what?
with 10 pips. I
Using
didn't
what
get
lot
that
size,
size very
please?
well. 0.1.
Okay. I said it is very simple. Calm down. Using 0.01 lot size, if market moves 10 pips in your favor or against you, you either gain $1 or you lose $1. You understand? Do you understand that, Mr. Ahmad?
Yes, yes, yes.
All right. Now, using 0.1 lot size, now, if market moves in your favor or against you by 10 pips, you lose $10 or you gain $10. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, yes.
All right. Now, using one lot size, if market moves against you or in your favor, you gain $100 or you lose $100. Do you understand that, sir? Mr. Ahmad, are you there?
Yes.
All right, all right. So, who has any other question, please? Any other question before we continue? Okay, since you guys don't have any other question, let's just go ahead and check out how to calculate the pips we are talking about. Now, it is very, very simple. I always tell you it is simple because it is actually simple. It is something you can learn in a jiffy. So now,
Sorry. I have a question. Sorry.
all right,
Sorry, I have a question.
yeah, sure,
Are you
go
trying
on.
to say the more the risks, the more the win?
Yeah, and
Are you trying to say the more the risks, the more the win,
yes,
and the
sir.
more the lose also?
Yes, sir.
Like the way you lose, the way you risk more, the way you win more, and the way
Yes,
you use risk more, the way you lose more.
absolutely.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. So without further ado, let's just go into the pips calculation. Now, I listed some currency pairs. Before I explain the pips calculation, let me show you guys something. This is USD JPY. Now, these are two currency pairs. You understand? They are two different currency pairs. So, this first one, this USD here, it represents the US dollar. You understand? So, it is just the abbreviation that is giving us USD. And this JPY, it represents the Japanese yen. You understand? Don't worry, by tomorrow morning, I will drop the link, sorry, the write up and the explanation of these currency pairs. I'll give you guys the um full abbreviation and their stuff. You understand? So I don't want to make this class too long. You understand? So now let me take this USD and JPY as an example. This first one here, this USD, in this scenario, like this example I'm giving you guys, this USD is the base currency. You understand? Base currency. Base currency is the USD. You understand? And for JPY is the quote currency for JPY. Please, I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to explain here. So for this scenario here, USD is the base currency JPY is the quote currency. You understand? For this second scenario right here, this GBP, it is the base currency. GBP right here is the base currency, and the second one, USD, is the quote currency. Now, I will want someone in the chat right now to tell me, is this the base currency or the quote currency in this GBP AUD? Please, someone from the chat should give me an answer to that. Is GBP there? Is it the quote currency or the base currency?
GPB is the base currency.
All right. Then AUD is the what? All right, all right. I've seen your answer there, Mr. Daniel. So GBP is the base currency, AUD is the quote currency. You understand? So it is very, very, very simple. Now, I hope you guys are putting down something. Now to the calculation of pips. I was talking about something earlier. I said we want to catch 10 pips, we want to catch 50 pips. So basically, what we want to go and catch in the market is just the pips. So now let's say, for instance, GBP AUD. The current price of GBP AUD is 1.9 90 okay 9005. That is the current price. Like, that is where we want to enter our trade. Eh? That is the point where we saw a good entry point. Let's say, for instance, we want to buy. I will be explaining the scenario for sell too. But first, let me explain the scenario for buy. So let's say we want to buy GBP AUD. I want to catch uh 20 pips from the market. Now, don't talk about lot size now. We first talk about the place we want to enter the trade, the number of pips we are looking to catch. Then we will decide the lot size appropriate for our, what is it called, for our capital. So let's just leave lot size for now. Let's talk about the pips. So this is the current price. How will I know that, okay, the price has gotten to uh 20 pips? Let me take my profits, leave the market and wait for another opportunity. It is very, very simple. All you need to do, this is a four um decimal place number. You understand? 1.9005. To calculate your pips, you start from the back. Let's say the price moves up by 1 pip. You just add 1 to the back of this 5. So basically, what you need to do, if you actually check your MetaTrader 5, if you have MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 now, you can open it. You can see 1.90056 blah blah blah. Just leave the other ones. Calculate it from this, after the decimal points. Calculate it from 9, like 9005. Those are the 4 digits we need to calculate our pips. So let's just delete this number 6. So if the price will move up by 1 pip, just add uh plus 1. You understand? And that will give us 1.9006. So basically, that is how to calculate our pips. Now, let's use another scenario now. The current price is 1.9005. Price moves up by 20 pips. It's very, very simple. Just calm down. If we should add 20 pips to this 1.9005, what it is going to give us is 1.9025. So basically, all we are doing is adding 20 from the back. You understand? So it will be from this 0 here, you put 2 under, then 0 in the next one. So doing it like just this nursery school students calculation. You understand? So that is basically how to calculate your pips. That is if it has like all these 4 digits. You know, there are some currency pairs that has 2 digits, or let me say 2 digits before the price and 2 digits even after the price, or 3 digits, sorry, 3 decimal place rather. You understand? So they have different calculation. But for the purpose of this first video, I will still be explaining more about it. Understand? For the purpose of introduction, I'll be giving you this basic, most basic form of pips calculation using the fundamental currency pairs. You understand? Now, this is for the addition scenario. That's if you want to know if the price will go up, like the number of pips we are to catch. Now, let me use the subtraction scenario right now. Now, we want to catch what is it called? Uh Sorry about that. Okay. The current price of GBP is 1.9005. Same scenario. And we want to sell right now. So basically, let me explain something there. If you know the price is going to go up, you will add the pip you want to take as profits. But if it is selling, you subtract. You understand? That's for sell scenario. It is very, very simple, guys. Very, very, very simple. You understand? So now the current price of BBPAUD is 1.9005. We want to sell it. We know that okay, this thing it is going to sell, it is going to dump. Now, before I go into that, let me explain some little terms we use in trading. If we say that okay, long GBPAUD, it simply means we want to buy GBPAUD. So if you hear anyone tell you, okay, I'm about to long gold, I'm about to long GBP I'm about to long any trade, any currency pair, it simply means the person wants to buy it. Understand? And if the person tells you, I'm about to short GBP AUD or GBP whatever currency pair the person is talking about, it means the person wants to sell GBP AUD. You understand? I'm about to short it means I want to sell it. I want to sell it. That means the person is expecting the current price to dump. You understand? And also, if you are hearing bullish markets, it simply means the market is going up. It is going up. So let me give you the three types of markets we have. We have the bullish markets, we have the bearish markets, and we have the ranging markets. Now I'm expecting you guys to keep putting down something. So right there we have the bullish markets, we have the bearish markets, and we have the ranging markets. Don't worry, I'll still open my charts before I end today's mentorship class. I will explain what I mean by bullish market and I'll show you with example. Just calm down. Everything is very, very simple. You understand? So now we have the bullish markets. Bullish market is when the market is going up, like it is going up, just going up. They will tell you the market is bullish. That means the market is going up. You understand? For bearish markets, it means the market is going down. The market is jumping. It is selling. It is selling. It is selling. You understand? Uh, Sorry guys. Let me quickly attend to this. I'm coming. All right. The class will end in the next 10 minutes. I don't know. We'll probably open it later, like probably after this call, because I just received notification from Google themselves that uh I don't know. They're just giving me some kind of random excuse. Understand? So we'll open it again, then we'll take questions. So basically, the class is ending in the next 8 minutes. You understand? I'll try to brief you guys about it. Then in the next section, which will be opening immediately after this class, I will accept questions and we'll answer questions, and we'll call it a day till the next class. You understand? All right. So as I was saying, the bearish market is the market that is going down, it is dipping, it is going down. Now for the ranging market, it is the market that has no direction. It has no specific direction. It will go up, it will come down. It will go up, it will come down. It will go up. So those are the three kinds of markets we can have. No other kind of market. There is no kind of market we can have other than those three. You understand? Now, those are the types of markets we have. Those are the type of markets we have. Now back to our calculation right here. So I said for GBP AUD, we want to sell it now. It is very, very simple. We have the current price at 1.9005 and want to sell it. So basically, what we're going to do is just subtract the, let's say we want to catch 5 pips from the current price, subtract 5 from it, then it will just give us, sorry, give us 1.9000. You understand? This 1.900 is a psychological level. Don't worry, we'll talk about it later. You understand? So now, this is basically how to calculate it. Let's say still the same, let me say a different scenario right now. Current price is 1.9005 again. I want to catch let's say 1000 pips. Want to sell it, want to catch 1000 pips. Simply subtract your 1000 pips from it. Understand? So it will give us 1.8005. You understand? Very, very simple, guys. Very, very simple. Now, basically, that is how to calculate your your pips, and I've given you guys the type of markets we have, and I've also explained lot size with respect to the pips you catch and the profit you are going to make. So now let me quickly open MetaTrader 5 and show you some little things right there. You understand? So before we go into that, let me start accepting questions right now. Okay, someone said I have a question on that. If we say sell USD JPY, which currency are we using to sell the order in this? Please, Mr. Adam, I don't understand that question. Please, please, Mr. Adam, please. Or if you have any question at all, anybody, please unmute yourself and let me know what's up. Please, if you have any question, please start dropping. Please, 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 please.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
So the question goes like I'm saying in a trade that is like USD JPY or USD AUD,
All right.
and we want to go for a sell. So I'm wondering like which currency are we using to sell that currency? Is it that we are using USD to sell JPY or are you using JPY to sell USD?
Okay, that's a very, very good question. You know what? Let me quickly round off this season, this mentorship class first. Then in the next Google class, I'm going to Google Zoom Meet. I'm going to open. I will answer your question. Let me quickly explain what I mean by the ranging market, the bearish market, and the bullish market. Do you understand, sir? Hello.
Yes, I do. I do.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, please, can you guys see my chat right now? If you can see my chat, please let me know. All right, I can see someone responding. Okay, without further ado, let me just continue because time is not on our side. So now I said the bullish market. I'll give you an example of the bullish market. So simply the basic way you are going to use to recognize a bullish market, it is when the market is making higher highs. You understand? Now it's very, very simple. Very, very, very simple. This is an example right here. How will you know that the market is making higher highs? This is the first high right here. When price got to this point, it made this high. This is one high. Price traded down, then came up. Now it broke this high right here, this recent one, and made another one here. You understand? Right here. So it is giving us a sign that, okay, oh guys, I'm going up. Follow me, let's go up together. You understand? It traded down again, then traded up, broke the recent high. You understand? And gave us this new high. It came down, went up again. So it is giving us higher highs, and that is where our trend line comes in. You understand? That is where you can use it. So basically, this point is a point of support and resistance. Now, I won't go into support and resistance this class. I'll go into support and resistance in the next class. You understand? So this point here, we can call it a support zone because price is actually bouncing off of that point. It will hit it, it will go up, it will hit it, it will go up, it will hit it, it will go up. You understand? Now, this is what we call the bullish market. You understand? So basically, that's what we call the bullish market. So this is an example of bullish market. Now, since I've given you guys the example of bullish markets, let me give you guys example of bearish markets. So now, this is an example of bearish market. Obviously, as we are even looking at it, it is giving us a bearish, like it is going down. So we can just support it with a trend line. It is giving us lower lows. You understand? So this is a bearish market. You understand? It is give it's this is a low. Price broke it, came down, give us a new low here, broke it, give us another new low here, broke it and kept going down. So this is a bearish market. You understand? Very, very simple, guys. This is bullish, this is bearish. Now, let me give you guys an example of a ranging market. Very good. See, this is it. Market is looking chubby. Understand? It's going up. Although you can see that it's actually breaking, the lower lows, but it is not giving us a straight high. You understand? Fine, we can support this with we can actually support this with a trend line, but it's not giving us a straight high. You understand? It is not breaking it as expected. You understand? So we can actually call a ranging market. Also, we can call it consolidation. You understand? So market is going up, coming down, going up, coming down. It is not giving us a good direction. Okay, I'm going up, I'm just going up, going up. No, no, no. It's just going up, coming down, going up, coming down. You can even call this a flag pattern. You understand? Don't worry, we'll go into that later. Let's just start with that with a fresh memory. Understand? You can see price is just bouncing off of this zone, up, down, up, down, up, down. So we can call this, can actually call this ranging market. We can also call it consolidation. Okay, guys. Please let's start asking our questions. So far today, I've explained pips. I've explained currency pairs. I've explained the base currency, the quote currency. I've explained the type of markets we have. I've explained lot size. You understand? So please let's start dropping our questions. All right, Mr. Adam Adisa, you can just unmute yourself and ask your question. You don't need to raise up your hand.
Okay. I asked this question earlier also.
All right.
So let me go repeat it again.
Okay.
I was saying, if you are trading on a currency pair, like say USD GBP, so we decide to sell. So which currency are we using to sell the other currency? That is what I want to get. Is it you are using USD to sell GBP, or are you using GBP to sell USD? That is if you are selling, and likewise if you are also buying also.
Okay. All right. So it is very, very, very simple. Very, very simple. This is my chart right here. This is GBP AUD. Now, the question you asked, I will give you guys a scenario of news events, because the each currency represents each country basically. Now, if if a news event is coming up on, let me say, on USD, eh? Now, if you think US dollar will be stronger for the news event, like it will be stronger for the news event, then you will buy US dollar. That means what you are simply saying is, okay, oh, let's say for instance USD, it will be stronger than other currency pairs. Now, if you are buying USD with respect to that news, you are simply saying USD CAD, USD JPY, USD whatever currency pair that USD is the base currency. You're actually saying, okay, USD will buy, like USD will be stronger. Now, if you are now selling USD, that means you are saying other currency will be stronger than it. You understand? So, for instance, if you are buying USD CAD, that means you are saying USD will be stronger than Canadian dollars. But if you are selling XAU USD, which is gold versus US dollars, that means you are saying gold is stronger, then USD will be weaker. So it will be going down. Have I answered your question, or you need more explanation, sir?
Yes, you have. You have. Thank you very much.
All right. So any other question before we call it a day? Any other question, guys? Please ask questions. Ask a lot of questions. Even if you think it is a question that you should not ask, or it is a senseless question, there's no senseless question in forex. Please ask it, because it can actually save you one day. I know what I'm talking about. So just ask that question you have in mind now, that you still have the opportunity to. Please ask your question. So wait for about 2 minutes. If there are no questions, then we'll call it a day. Please ask your question, please. Okay, someone said, please, more explanation on the just answered question. Please, if you want to ask question, please don't drop it in the box. I might not see it, because I'm trying to share my screen, follow you guys up, and the like. So I might not have the time to check the message box. Okay, now let me shed more explanation to what I just explained. Sorry. Okay. This is GBP AUD. Eh? If I want to sell GBP AUD, what I'm simply saying is GBP will be weak. And if you know any currency that is weak, it will any like the base currency will be weak and the quote currency will be stronger. You understand? Now, it does not mean that when you open GBP AUD here, you go and when you open GBP AUD for probably sell, that you are telling yourself that okay, GBP AUD, like GBP is weak, then AUD will go up. It is not that you go and open buy on AUD USD because AUD is the base currency there. No, 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 no. That's not what I'm saying. Different markets, different analysis, different trade. Don't take trade based on the fact that base currency is stronger. Then you want to go and sell where you see that the quote currency of that same currency is like joined together. Do you understand what I'm saying? Let me give you an example. I made an example the first time that I said USD card. If you say USD card, USD is stronger. You want to buy USD, it's very good. You've made your analysis and you want to buy USD card. you've analyzed USD card markets and see that okay, it's good to buy. After opening a buy position on USD card, that does not mean you are going to go and open a sell position on XAU USD because you see that USD is the quote currency there. No, 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 no. You don't do that. You have to go to XAU USD differently and analyze it. Then, if it is not telling you that, okay, sell me, then that's when you are going to sell. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? I hope I've answered your question now, sir. Mr. Ahmad.
Yes.
All right. Anyone else? Is there any more questions, please? Okay. Since there is no question, then I think this is a good time to call it a day. So I hope you guys have gained something today. Please and please, if you are yet to register on my recommended broker, the link is in the description box. Rock West. Click the link, register an account, verify your account, fund your account, then send me a DM. My WhatsApp link is already in the description box and my Telegram. Then you get added to my Signal group. You understand? At least you start making money even before you are able to like analyze the market yourself. You understand? So register an account. Rockwest is the best broker in the whole world. I'm telling you. So register an account, verify, upload your ID card, and get on board. You understand? Then send me a DM. And also, I offer a personal mentorship. Of course, I don't want to talk about that personal mentorship on this free mentorship at all. You understand? But just know it yourself. And as a matter of fact, I'm actually giving out my advanced course to you guys for free. I've already posted the information on the WhatsApp group. So for those that have completed the 7 days, just calm down. I'll add you guys to my advanced group. I'll create a special group for you guys where I will take you guys advanced lectures after this free mentorship. Understand? So it's absolutely free since you guys have completed the task. So far so good. I think you guys have learned something today. So I will schedule another meeting with you all. I'll send the info. It might be tomorrow, it might be next week, it might be just twice per week. But I'm definitely sure that under 1 month or 2 months, you guys will be good based on the forex basics. You understand? Then after that, those that have joined the advanced class, they will learn the strategy of how to sell the trade and buy, how to know when to sell and buy, and the likes. So I think with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next class. Uh God bless us and God bless our house.